Hi guys, this is Ravi and you're listening to me on the Nifty BN channel. Today is Monday, 24th May 2021. Welcome to the latest episode of the post-market analysis series, where we would be analyzing the equity and derivatives data of the most recent session and try to assess the range and market positioning for the upcoming session. Want to meet like-minded traders and discuss option strategies, adjustments and more? Just type in Discuss Nifty in your Telegram search box and join the friendly trader community. The Nifty 50 index on Monday registered an indecisive Doji candle that resembled an evening star formation on the daily scale. But this needs to be confirmed by tomorrow's candle. For starters, evening star is a 3 candle pattern, where a large bullish candle is followed by a gap up opening on the second day, which ends with a small bodied candle due to the absence of follow-up buying. This usually leads to selling on the third day. However, the benchmark index formed higher highs and higher lows for the third straight session and in the process closed just 22.4 points or 0.15% higher at 15,197.70. It witnessed an intraday movement of about 110.8 points. The Nifty has also formed a double top kind of formation on the intraday chart at the all important 15,250 level, which we discussed in Saturday's video. Now, it has to surpass and hold above 15,250 to extend its upward move towards 15,336 and then 15,431 levels, while a hold below the same level could drag it towards the 15,050 level. Today's low of 15,145.45 and the previous session's low of 14,985.85 will provide support on downside. We are still of the view that bulls are still in total control. But the intraday chart is showing a temporary pause near 15,250. Hence, traders may prefer to take a cautious stance near this crucial level. Technically, the index still remains higher high and higher low series. A similar analysis of the Bank Nifty index shows if the banking index manages to breach today's high of 35,216.10 on a closing basis, then 36,497, 37,232 and 37,708 will be the next crucial resistance levels on the upside. Today's low of 34,528 and the previous session's low of 33,559 will act as important support on an immediate basis. The market is expected to remain volatile in the coming sessions, owing to the monthly expiry of futures and options contracts on Thursday, May 27th. Now to data analysis. Except for metal and FMCG, all other sectoral indices ended in the green. Nifty Bank gained the most. It climbed 336.7 points. The Nifty Next 50 index outperformed the benchmark, gaining 266.35 points. Punjab National Bank, Adani Green, and Adani Transmission were among the top gainers on the Nifty Next 50 index, gaining more than 5% each. While losers were Motherson Sumi, Pyramid Enterprises, and ICICI Lombard GIC, losing more than 1.5% each. S-Bank was the most active security by volume, and State Bank of India was the most value security by value. Among individual stocks, a volume spike along with a price change of 15% was seen in Josel, Aztec Life Sciences, Trigen Technologies, HT Media, and Dynamic Products. A total of 182 stocks, including names such as Apollo Sinduri Hotels, Aztec Life Sciences, Dynamic Products, JTech India, MEP Infrastructure Developers, Oriental Hotels, Prakash Pipes, Shamaru Entertainment, and Trigen Technologies witnessed strong buying interest from market participants as they scaled their fresh 52-week highs on Monday, signaling bullish sentiment. On the other hand, 11 stocks hit their fresh 52-week lows. Market breadth was in favor of gainers, as out of the Nifty 500 stocks, 298 stocks ended in the green, 198 counters settled with cuts, while 5 remained unchanged. JTech India, Birlasoft, and HEG were the top gainers, gaining more than 10% each. while HFCL, Polymedicure, and Gujarat Ambuja Exports were the top losers, falling more than 5%. A total of 20 F&O stocks had more than 50% delivery volumes on May 24th. They are Britannia Industries, Pi Industries, SBI Life Insurance Company, Hindustan Unilever, Infosys, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Dabur India, Alchem Labs, ITC, Indus Towers, Bell, TCS, United Breweries, HCL Tech, Wipro, Tata Consumer Products, Indraprastha Gas, Nippon Life India Asset Management, HDFC Asset Management Company, and HDFC. A high delivery percentage suggests that investors are showing interest in these stocks. A total of 3 stocks witnessed long build-up, that is, an increment in both price and open interest. They are Mindtree, Cummins India, and Page Industries. Only one stock, Nippon Life India Asset Management, saw short build-up, that is, reduction in price with increment in open interest. 70 stocks witnessed long unwinding, that is, reduction in both price and open interest. The top 10 stocks where long unwinding is seen are Interglobe Aviation, Ultratech Cement, Britannia Industries, Torrent Power, Bosch, IndusInd Bank, Tata Motors, Bandhan Bank, HDFC Life Insurance Company, and LIC Housing Finance. And finally, 81 stocks witnessed short covering, that is, increment in price with reduction in open interest. The top 10 stocks where short covering is seen are Muthoot Finance, Ambuja Cements, Godrej Properties, Wipro, Cadila Healthcare, Escorts, Biocon, IDFC First Bank, Hero Motorcorp, and Eicher Motors. Just like Friday, stocks that witnessed short covering outnumbered the stocks that witnessed long build-up. This trend might continue for 3 more sessions, till the monthly expiry of futures and option contracts on Thursday. Now to the FII DII data analysis. As we usually do, let's start with the retail investors. The retailers were bearish on index futures and bullish on stock futures. They unwinded 561 net long positions in index futures but added 16,846 net long positions in stock futures. They were extremely bullish on index options as they covered a huge number of shorts in index call options and also added a huge number of shorts in index put options. They were slightly bearish on stock options though, as they unwinded some long positions in stock call options but added some short positions in stock put options. Now to domestic institutional investors. The DIs too, like the retailers, were bearish on index futures and bullish on stock futures. They added some short positions in index futures but covered some short positions in stock futures. They were bearish on both index and stock options as they added some longs in index put options and some shorts in stock call options. Now to the key players, the FIs. The FIs were bearish on both the index futures and stock futures. They unwinded some long positions in both index futures and stock futures. They were extremely bearish on index options as they unwinded some long positions in index call options and added some longs in index put options. They were slightly bullish on stock options as they covered some shorts in stock call options but added an insignificant amount of longs in stock put options. And finally, to proprietary desks. The pros, unlike the FIs, were bullish on both the index futures and stock futures. They added some long positions in both index futures and stock futures. They were extremely bearish on the index options, as they added a huge amount of shorts in index call options, but added only some shorts in index put options. They were slightly bullish on stock options though, as they covered a small number of shorts in stock call options, but added an even smaller number of longs in index put options. Now to the cash market. Foreign institutional investors net bought shares worth more than Rs 585.36 crore and domestic institutional investors net sold shares worth more than Rs 707.69 crore on Monday as per provisional data available on NSE. On a month-to-date basis, the FIS net sold Rs 9,881.79 crore worth of shares, while the DIS net bought rupees 1,502.03 crore worth of shares in the Indian equity market. As many as 70 companies will come out with their results on Tuesday, with the prominent names being Imami and Alcom Labs. For May 25th, three stocks, namely BHEL, Canara Bank, and Punjab National Bank, are under the F&O ban period. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel. To find us on Twitter, Telegram, and Facebook, use the username NiftyBN. Also, we post some of our trades to the community tab, so do not forget to check that from time to time.